Japanese trick. Use this to clean your fuel injectors without taking them out. The majority of drivers are unaware that this is taking place beneath their hood. I observe the same issues week after week, car after car: rough idle, sporadic misfires, poor acceleration, and engines that simply feel worn out. Furthermore, spark plugs, sensors, or even defective gasoline are not the true reason in over 90% of such cases. The slow suffocation is caused by gasoline injectors. The fact that injector issues begin silently exacerbates this. There are no caution lights, no glaring mistakes, slower throttle response, poorer fuel economy, and that tiny vibration at a stoplight are examples of minor losses that you initially hardly detect. The harm has been accumulating for thousands of years by the time the check engine light eventually appears. I'm going to demonstrate 9 effective methods for cleaning your fuel injectors today that don't need removing any bolts. We'll begin with easy fixes that anyone can undertake at home before moving on to expert-level approaches that can fully restore an engine that has been having problems for years. If you stay until the very end, I'll reveal a mechanic-only tip that, when done correctly, can increase injector life by an additional 100,000 miles. I generally save this for other experts. Now let's get started. Method 9. Fuel system cleaner. Used correctly. Everyone believes they are familiar with this method. At the gas station, pick up a bottle, fill it to the brim, and wish for a miracle. That is ineffective. Before they even get to the injectors, the majority of cleansers are significantly diluted. You need a cleaner that contains polyetheramine, or PEA, if you truly want results. It is the only substance that has been shown to dissolve hard carbon rather than merely relax it. Techron, Gumout Regain, and Redline are good brands, but nearly no one uses this trick. It should never be added to a full tank. Start with a low fuel level, add the cleaner after that. Next, fill up. This instantly pushes a high concentration via the injectors. Furthermore, a single bottle is not a panacea. Make sure to use it every time you change your oil. Instead of being saved, clean injectors are kept. Method 8. Additives based on detergents. Carbon is not the cause of every injector issue. Long-term sitting vehicles, such as weekend automobiles, boats, motorbikes, and lawn equipment, frequently develop varnish buildup. Imagine it forming inside the injector like sticky glue that is broken down by detergent ingredients. But in this case, patience is important. Not much can be done with one tank. You'll notice the difference between 2 or 3 tanks back to back: smoother idle, simpler starts, and improved throttle response. I occasionally mix a PEA cleanser with a detergent addition for difficult situations. They target various deposits. Don't go overboard, though. Cleaner does not equate to more chemicals. What's important is proper use. Method 7. Treatment with ethanol. Injector cleanliness is aided by ethanol. However, there is a drawback. Water is drawn to it. Corrosion, blocked injectors, poor idle, hard starts, and early fuel pump failure are all caused by water. Ethanol treatment is essential for the protection of your car if it is left unattended for weeks or months. You can avoid rust, gumming, and moisture damage by adding it before storage and running the engine for a few minutes. Additionally, utilize ethanol treatment more frequently if you frequently use less expensive fuel. Fuel of lower quality typically contains more moisture. Quick pause. Click the like button if this is already saving you money and preventing repairs. You might be surprised at how much it benefits the channel. And don't forget to subscribe, as things will start to truly shift with the next methods. The Italian tune-up is method 6. This one is laughed at until it succeeds. Traffic, short excursions, and endless idling are all part of the pleasant life of modern cars. Carbon cannot be spontaneously burned by engines because they are never hot enough. That is altered by a controlled highway driving at higher RPMs. Heat restores power and smoothness by burning deposits off the injectors and combustion chamber. Redlining your engine like a crazy person is not what this is. This is controlled heat with constant high RPMs for 20 to 30 minutes. First, ensure your cooling system and oil are in good condition. Method 5. intake and throttle body cleaning. We now begin cleaning the airflow instead of adding chemicals to the tank. Thick black muck eventually covers the intake and throttle body. This accumulation impedes throttle response, destroys airflow, and creates unsteady idling. Dissolved deposits are drawn directly through the system when it is cleaned while the engine is running. Yes, some cleaner even makes it to the injectors. Unless you prefer missing eyebrows, perform this in a well-ventilated place, pay close attention to the directions, and never smoke near an intake cleaner. Method 4. Cleaning kit for fuel rail. This is a significant improvement. This approach feeds pure cleaner straight into the fuel rail at operational pressure rather than combining it with fuel. Not diluted, no petrol. Chemical force alone. Until the canister empties, the engine operates solely on cleaner. However, pay great attention. This is not for beginners. Fuel under pressure is what you are working with. One error could be harmful. However, when done correctly, this replenishes injectors far more effectively than bottled additives. Method 3. Expert cleaning services for injectors. Stronger chemicals, better tools, and safer execution are all part of the same idea as the DIY kit. The majority of drivers notice the biggest difference here. Misfires vanish. Glass smooth idleness results. Instead of feeling lethargic, acceleration feels snappy. Additionally, this service often costs a few $100s as opposed to injector replacement, which typically costs between $600 and $1,200. Unclean injectors? Saved? Injector deaths? Those won't be fixed by anything. Second method, top-tier fuel is this one is excruciatingly easy and consistently disregarded. Low-cost gas satisfies the minimum requirements, that's all. Chevron, Shell, Costco, and Mobil are examples of top-tier gas stations that add a lot more detergents. Engines using top-tier fuel were up to 19 times cleaner, according to independent testing. I see that all the time. Low-cost fuel at 80,000 miles. Dirty injectors, misfires everywhere. Top-tier fuel with almost immaculate injectors after 150,000 kilometers. Unless your car needs premium, regular grade is acceptable. Octane is not the issue. Detergents are. Method 1. Machine for cleaning carbon. The most potent, non-invasive injector cleaning technique currently on the market is the nuclear option. When a car has a significant carbon buildup and nothing else has worked, this is the same kind of service that high-end performance shops and dealerships utilize. This machine totally avoids using fuel from the tank. It passes an industrial-strength cleaning solution that is precisely measured through the fuel system at standard operating pressure. This indicates that the cleaner passes through the intake valves, fuel lines, injectors, and combustion chambers without being diluted by gasoline. Every surface that comes into contact with fuel is thoroughly cleaned. Dramatic outcomes are possible. Almost instantly, the throttle response becomes sharper. Idle calms down. Cold starts get better. Fuel efficiency frequently returns to its previous levels. Without changing a single component, engines that felt worn out frequently feel tight, responsive, and powerful once more. Direct injection engines, which are infamous for carbon buildup that standard additives just cannot reach, benefit greatly from this service. This procedure can keep injectors functioning at nearly new efficiency and save thousands of dollars in future repairs when carried out on a regular basis, every 30,000 to 50,000 miles. The following question is even more crucial now that you know how to clean your injectors without taking them out. How do you identify injector issues before they become costly failures? In the upcoming video, I'll highlight the subtle indicators of clogged or malfunctioning injectors that most drivers overlook. Little alterations in performance, feel, and sound that point to problems long before a check engine light comes on. Learn to identify problems early, address the problem promptly, and maintain your engine's strength, smoothness, and dependability for many years to come.